closer and closer to the reality. It's gonna be great though.
The other side.
Oh my gosh, that was a money shot right there. I love it.
I'm so excited. I can't
Your
wait to
hair
see
looks
it.
amazing.
It's all coming together, guys. Just like this lash glue. You were the lash glue of my life.
That's so sweet.
That's so southern.
I wish somebody.
They're down there, back there. Like, this is crazy. Look at them. This is my band. They're down there. That's all Zara's stuff. Our stuff is down there. This is so wild.
Are you so excited?
Dude, even just walking past the seats, and I'm like,
Did you see the sign?
Yeah.
It said very important people.
Crazy. Crazy. That's perfect. Stars on them too to like try to hide it because the boots are see-through. But I was like, I need to wear. I avoided that.
Ashton, why'd you break Savannah's foot?
I forgot the scissors for the tassels.
I have a knife.
It's okay. Ooh, I'm sorry. I did tip my hair.
What else? What else? What else? Can I steal one of those room temperature waters from somebody to take on stage with me? Actually, Stacey, when you drop the mic stand, can you drop the water on next to the mic stand?
Is the water down there right now?
We'll bring it with us.
Okay, show off the shoes.
No place like home.
Hey, do you want to go ahead and...
We're not in a rush. This is our time to shine. This is like literally seriously. Go team! Do you feel it? Do you feel the energy?
Oh yeah.
I feel it.
You got this, girl. Oh my god, good job, good job, good job. I love you. We're amazing, you're amazing. Oh my gosh, you just, oh my gosh. You just opened up for Zara Larsson.
Like I'm right where I'm supposed to be. The waves crash around us and suddenly we don't even have to breathe. I am stuck up in my shell, baby, and I need someone to set me free. Will you be the one for me? I'm just a falling star, so let's see your work go on. Yeah, you are my satellite. Watch me as I light the sky.
I'm overwhelmed really, like, I'm so grateful to be able to do this. Like, and if I can inspire one person, you know, to let them know that they can follow their dream, then I feel like my life is